access strategies for fast money online. No cost, no products, no hassle. Hey folks, welcome back to High Access, your go-to spot for unconventional strategies and fast money online. In today's video, we're diving deep into a step-by-step guide on how to rake in some cash by creating book summaries and unleashing the power of affiliate marketing. But hey, hold up a sec. There's a catch. We're gonna talk about the ethical and legal side of things too. Now, the method we're about to explore can be a game changer, but it comes with its own set of considerations. It's crucial to be as transparent as a clean window, as honest as your grandma's apple pie recipe, and as integral as, well, you get the point. We're in it for the long game and not some quick cash grab. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, remember this. While the online realm is full of opportunities, it's like a wild west out there. Ethics and legality should be your trusty sidekicks. Always prioritize giving your audience genuine value over chasing those quick financial wins. Alright, let's break it down. We're talking book summaries and affiliate marketing. A dynamic duo if there ever was one. But thread carefully, my friends, because we're not just navigating the online waves, we're setting sail with integrity as our compass. Stick around for the details, and let's make sure you're not just making money, but making it in a way that stands the test of scrutiny. Ready? Let's dive in. Today's guide is like a golden ticket to online fortune, combining book summaries, affiliate marketing, and a dash of ethics. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on the high access journey to Fast Money Online 2.0, where transparency is a key and quick gains are served with a side of integrity. But first, let's talk ethical considerations. We're not just diving into the online cash pool, we're doing it with a conscious choice. Promoting a free book offer that leads to potential bucks is our secret sauce, but here's the catch. Make sure your audience knows the deal. Transparency is our best friend. Let's not keep secrets when we're chasing those dollars. Now, let's address legal matters. It's like navigating a financial maze, but we're handing you the map. Platforms like Medium, Canva, Audible know their terms and conditions like the back of your hand. We're not breaking any rules here. We're playing it smart and safe. And disclosure, that's the magic word. Picture this, you're building trust with your audience, one transparent disclosure at a time. Shout it from the digital rooftops. Let them know about those affiliate relationships. Trust is our currency and we're investing in it. So what's the title of this financial adventure? How about Ethical Cash Flow? Navigating book summaries and affiliate waters. Intrigued? You should be. We're not just making money. We're making it the high access way with style, ethics, and a touch of flair. Strap in for step 1, where we dive into the art of researching your niche and hand-picking the perfect book to set the cash registers ringing. Now let's talk about tapping into the genius of ChatGPT. It's like having a brainstorming buddy that never sleeps. We're suggesting you use ChatGPT to stir the pot of ideas for book niches. Imagine a virtual brainstorming session where your creativity meets artificial intelligence. That's the magic potion for discovering the golden niche. But here's the twist. It's not just about what's trending or profitable. It's about what tickles your fancy. We're talking about choosing a niche that lights a fire in your belly, something that aligns with your interests or expertise. This isn't just about making money, it's about making money doing something you love. So, let's shuffle the order a bit. First, connect with your passion or expertise. Then, unleash ChatGPT to sprinkle some innovative fairy dust on your ideas. Picture it, you, your passion, and a dash of AI magic creating the perfect storm for a niche that's uniquely yours. In the financial adventure we're embarking on, this step is your treasure map. Your niche is your gold mine, and selecting the right book is like striking the first ounce of gold. So, grab your metaphorical pickaxe, combine it with ChatGPT's wisdom. Let's dig into the world of profitable and personally fulfilling book niches. Stay tuned because we're not just making money, we're crafting a financial journey that aligns with your passions and expertise. The niche is the heartbeat of your online venture. Let's make sure it's beating in rhythm with your dreams. Ready to turn those niche ideas into gold? Let the adventure begin. Now for step 2. We're delving into the art of creating book summaries that'll have your audience hooked and your pockets jingling. Now here's the plot twist. We've got an optional AI tool on the scene. It's like having a magic scribe that whips up summaries at the snap of your fingers. Imagine the time saved. But here's the caveat. Don't get too carried away. While AI tools are the Robin to your Batman, they might compromise quality. Your gold mine is your content, so make sure those summaries are accurate and genuinely helpful. Let's shuffle the order a bit. First, let's talk about content creation. If you've summoned the AI genie, go ahead and let it work its magic. But here's the catch. Review and edit. Your personal touch is what turns those summaries from good to gold. Alternatively, channel your inner wordsmith and write those summaries manually. And guess what? You can even enlist the help of our friendly ChatGPT to sprinkle some linguistic brilliance on your content. In the grand scheme of our financial saga, this step is where your content becomes the hero of the story. It's not just about churning out summaries. It's about crafting narratives that resonate with your audience. Quality over quantity, my friends. So what's the creative title for this chapter of our guide? How about Wordsmith Wizardry? Crafting summaries for gold. In this guide, we're not just making summaries, we're creating literary gems that captivate and convert. Stay tuned because we're not just making money. We're curating an online experience that leaves your audience craving for more. Ready to turn those words into wealth? The adventure continues. Moving on to step 3. We're uncovering the secrets to creating promotional material that not only catches eyes, but also fills those coffers. Now here's where the magic begins. Graphic design. We've got Canva, the wizard's wand for creating eye-catching promotional designs. It's like having an artistic sidekick at your beck and call. But hold on. Amidst the artistic frenzy, we've got a golden rule. Those graphics need to play by the copyright rules. No shortcuts here. We're not just creating visually stunning content, we're doing it ethically. Let's shuffle the order a bit. First, the book cover image. Imagine it as the face of your online venture. We're suggesting downloading from legitimate sources, ensuring you have the right to flaunt those covers in the promotional spotlight. No shady dealings here. It's all about playing fair and square. So let's get creative with the title. Design Dynasty. Canva concoctions for profitable promos. In this financial guide, we're not just slapping images together. We're crafting a visual symphony that harmonizes with your audience. Now, let's talk about misrepresentation. We're not here to pull the wool over anyone's eyes. Represent your product honestly and avoid leading potential users down a misleading rabbit hole. Transparency is our secret weapon. Stage 4 is where the magic of affiliate programs takes center stage. And we've got a golden ticket recommendation. Audible affiliate program. Now here's the twist. Before we dive headfirst into this auditory treasure trove, let's talk about affiliate program etiquette. Think of it as the pirate's code of the online seas. Review the terms and conditions diligently. We're not just joining programs, we're forging partnerships. Compliance is our compass, ensuring we navigate these affiliate waters with finesse. Let's shuffle the order a bit. First off, the Audible affiliate program. Picture it as the flagship of your online fleet, sailing through audiobook realms. We're not just promoting, we're setting sail with a trusted ally. Before you hoist the affiliate flag, make sure you've read the terms and conditions. It's like checking the map before embarking in a voyage. So let's unleash some creativity in the title department. Audible avenues, sailing the seas of affiliate riches. In this financial guide, we're not just joining programs, we're weaving a tapestry of partnerships that resonate with your audience. Now, here's the golden rule: no swashbuckling without compliance. We're not here to break any online laws. Join affiliate programs with integrity, ensuring your ventures align with the guidelines set forth. In the grand narrative of our financial saga, this step is where alliances are formed. It's not just about making recommendations, it's about building relationships that stand the test of online storms. But hey, before you click away, I want to interrupt your scrolling for just a quick moment. What do you think about these strategies, my fellow digital adventurers? Have you tried your hand at creating book summaries or sailing the affiliate seas? We're not just a guide, we're a community of high access thinkers. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you ready to unleash your digital prowess? Or maybe you've got some tips to add to our treasure chest. Your insights could be the compass someone else needs on their digital journey. And if you're feeling generous today, why not hit that share button? Spread the high access vibes, because in this digital realm, sharing is caring. Now, back to your regularly scheduled scrolling, or maybe, just maybe, you're inspired to set sail on your own digital adventure. Until next time, keep those thoughts flowing and let the high access community thrive. Now, before you start sprinkling these links like fairy dust, let's talk about the golden rule: compliance. This will be our step number 5. Think of it as the rule book in this treasure hunt. Amazon has its policy, and we're not just creating links. We're weaving a digital web that complies with their guidelines. Transparency is our map. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships loud and clear. It's monogamous. Let's shuffle the order a bit. First, the Amazon affiliate links. Picture them as the breadcrumbs leading to your treasure chest. We're not just creating links, we're forging a connection with the largest online marketplace. But here's the catch. Before you start this digital treasure hunt, ensure you've read Amazon's policies. It's like deciphering the clues before embarking on a quest. Now, let's unleash some creativity in the title department. Link Labyrinth. Navigating Amazon's affiliate trails. In this financial guide, we're not just crafting links, we're creating a pathway to digital wealth that resonates with your audience. Remember the disclosure part? It's not just a formality. It's the pirate's flag you hoist before venturing into the online seas. Your audience trusts you, so be transparent about your affiliate relationships. It's not just about creating links. It's about building trust in your digital empire. Ahoy, fellow digital fortune seekers! We've reached the climax of our online adventure with Step 6. This is where we unveil the secrets of publishing book summaries and turning your digital treasure into gold on Medium. Let's shuffle the order a bit. First, content distribution. Think of Medium as the treasure island where you showcase your literary riches. We're not just publishing here. We're establishing our digital kingdom. While Medium allows affiliate links, the golden rule here is value. Ensure your content isn't just a pitch, but a journey that genuinely enriches your audience. Compliance with Medium's policies is your key to conquering this digital realm. Now let's talk SEO optimization. This is like sprinkling breadcrumbs that lead the online wanderers straight to your treasure trove. Use relevant keywords in your Medium article. It's not just about visibility, it's about being the beacon in the vast digital sea. Unleash some creativity in the title department. Medium marvels, navigating the digital seas with book summaries. In this financial guide, we're not just publishing content, we're creating an experience that both captivates and converts. Remember, Medium is your digital canvas. It's not just a platform, it's the stage where your content performs. The spotlight is on genuine value, compliance, and a sprinkle of SEO magic. Your audience is your treasure. Cater to their needs, and success will follow. Next up, step 7. This is where we unravel the secrets of promoting your book summaries on the vast sea of social media. First, Facebook groups. Picture them as the bustling ports where fellow digital explorers gather. We're not just sharing, we're creating a digital bazaar for our literary treasures. Join relevant groups, but here's the catch. Treat it like an invitation to a grand feast. Follow the group rules, avoid spamming, and let your shares be the melody in this social symphony. Now, let's get creative with the title. Facebook Fables. Navigating groups for digital dominance. In this financial guide, we're not just promoting, we're orchestrating a symphony of shares that resonate with your audience. Remember, social media is your ship and your summaries are the cargo. It's not just about posting, it's about engaging in conversations, building connections, and making your presence felt. Your audience is your crew. Treat them with respect, and they will help steer your ship to success. Welcome, financial maestros, to the grand encore. Step 8. This is where we unravel the secret sauce for turning your digital venture into a symphony of success without compromising on quality or ethics. Let's shake up the order a bit. First, the golden rule of consistency. Think of it as the heartbeat of your digital empire. We're not just repeating the process, we're orchestrating a rhythm that resonates with your audience. Consistency is not about sacrificing quality, it's about refining your craft and fine-tuning your symphony. Ethical considerations are your guiding stars. Do not let them fade in the pursuit of quantity. Now, let's get creative with the title. Consistency Crescendo. Scaling success with ethical echoes. In this financial guide, we're not just scaling, we're conducting a symphony of digital growth that harmonizes with your principles. Remember, scaling isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Your digital empire is like fine wine. It gets better with time. While the process repeats, every iteration is a chance to elevate your craft, deepen your connections, and amplify your impact. In our grand financial saga, this step is where your venture transforms from a melody to a symphony. It's not just about scaling, it's about creating a legacy that withstands the test of digital time. And there you have it, trailblazers of high access. We've journeyed through the digital landscapes from niche exploration to symphonies of success. Remember, in the realm of high access, it's not just about making money, it's about crafting a legacy. As you embark on your own digital odyssey, keep the spirit alive. The treasure isn't just in the wealth you amass, it's in the value you provide, the connections you forge, and the ethical footsteps you leave behind. If you found this guide to be the wind beneath your digital sails, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more high access adventures, and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for the next chapter in our journey. Stay bold, stay ethical, and may your online ventures be as limitless as the digital horizon. Until next time, this is High Access signing off. Sail on, champions of the online seas.